Excel functions are built-in formulas that perform specific calculations, manipulate data, and return results based on user-defined parameters. Here are some commonly used Excel functions. Sum adds up a range of cells. Average calculates the average of a range of cells. Count counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Max finds the maximum value in a range of cells. Min finds the minimum value in a range of cells. If tests a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. VLOOKUP searches for a value in a table and returns a corresponding value in the same row. Concatenate joins two or more text strings into one. Today returns the current date. Now returns the current date and time. There are many more Excel functions available, each with their own specific uses and parameters. The best way to learn about them is to explore the Excel function library and experiment with different functions in your own spreadsheets.